Hi guys, welcome to Joing's house, and today I'm just going to be reviewing some Kinetic Sand that we got, and we're going to also have a special guest here, which is she's going to be first on my channel. She's never been on it before, so here she comes. Hi, it's my cousin Keyna. So we're just going to be showing y'all some new slimes, some Kinetic Sand, and my new squishy. Yeah, million well narwhal section. Oops, sorry. That's fine. I'll pick it up. So let's get doing this. So let's show them first the blue Kinetic Sand. This is awesome, guys. You can get this at Walmart, Target, almost anywhere. So let's bring it down. You can pat it down and make any mold you can. Cut it down. And it's so soft. This is my cousin's. I have mine on my other table. Yeah. It's fine. Yeah, they're on her wooden table. And it's just so awesome. Cool. It feels like it looks weird, like, right? It's just like it's like sand, but like it's a bit. Can I start the camera shaking? Yeah. We're trying to adjust it. Sorry for this cord. Awesome. Look at this, guys. Look at this, like melts or something like that. Like this has been going not viral, but a lot of people have been looking at this. Yeah. And I wanted to get it, and so she got 3 different colors, which we're gonna be showing you next. So this is one of like different, and it just kind of sticky, but like you do this and then it just comes off. So let me put it back in the mold. And before we show you the other ones, we're going to show you the new slimes. Oh, never mind. Sorry, this is going to be last because we actually need to do something. Yeah, we're going to show you the other ones. Those we're going to show you it last. Because it's like something other than Kinetic Sand. So that's the blue one. She's gonna show you the pink one, and I'll show you the green one, guys. Here's the green one that has a green one. Here's the pink one. And so just pat it down. And then it kind of like falls apart, but it's actually really good. You can actually see the mirror right here, sorry. And it's really easy to clean up. Yeah, kind of together. Make different molds. If you hear like background noise, sorry. Yeah. You can get a copy and just show them. Never mind. They have like water in them that but you can use like any more water in any way you want it to. And it's so cool. Weird. Like the first time I go to a first it was we got these at Walmart and last night. And we got them last night and we opened them. Yeah. Just left over. Yeah. And it was both of our first time feeling Kinetic Sand. It's really good, guys. Awesome. Y'all should get this. It's really good for kids who are bored. Like, you play with this every day. It's so satisfying. Yeah. Tower. You can put anything on it. Emoji casserole. It's really cool. And we just came back from breakfast. Yeah, we ate breakfast at IHOP, and she had French toast, and I had a cupcake pancake combo. So here is the pink one. And I'm gonna just go ahead and put this one up. And I'm gonna show you the video. Whoops. Oh, it landed. Okay, so. And I don't think it's dried out. Like, yeah, it doesn't dry out. I don't think so, yeah. But you can get different sets. You can get these little castles by themselves. You can get different ones. Or you can get a whole set. Here is the camera. This is awesome. I like the texture. Like, you can get certain different colors. I think you can also get purple, but we don't have purple in our set. This guys is awesome. Give this a big thumbs up for the people who made this. It's like a sand, but like it's kinetic sand. That's why it's called kinetic. So this is awesome. It's like a sand slime. I don't know. You can put. I think you can put kinetic sand and slime too, and it'll make it really sandy and awesome. It'll have an awesome texture. Okay, so let me make a shape. Ready? Let me make another castle. And if you see that we're looking like a different way, it's because we're like doing a video on the. Yeah, we're editing. Yeah, while we're making the video. Yeah. So look. Yeah, it's cool how. Oh, look at that. That's cool. See, so we're like. This is a screen on the camera. This is the camera that we are recording. See, I'm looking that way. Yeah. We have the computer right there. Okay. That's the camera. And ready? I'm gonna make a castle shape again. Ready? I'm gonna get this thing again. And then you can take it apart. You can cut it. Look. Let me get that pencil. Here, let me get a pencil and show you like how. We don't have a knife right now. Yeah, sorry. You can cut in different ways, in different slices. It looks like a lighter green in the video, but it's actually darker. Yeah. And you can roll it out. I think I have a roller in my drawer, but can you go check? Yeah. On that. And we're also going to show you some of her squishes. Yeah. At the end too, while we're showing up. Grab one of my nose sheets. Sorry for just like chatting about what we're doing. I like that. So we have some squishes right here. I don't know, I can't explain the texture. Like nobody honestly can explain the texture. It's like normal sand, but at the same time like it's really runny. It's kind of like oobleck. If you guys know, comment down below if you know what oobleck is. And it's I don't think we have one. A what? A roller? Oh, sorry, she's going somewhere. Which I don't know where she's going, but really, I don't really know. Oh my gosh, can you go on the ground? Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Sorry. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick because I really need to use it. Okay. Okay, that was weird. I don't know what that was all about. This is awesome, guys. You can kind of make this into a ball, but sometimes it just like goes away. But you can make it into a ball. Sorry. It looks awesome when you just like it kind of like, oops, kind of like stays together, but sometimes it doesn't. I like the, it doesn't really matter what color it is. It still feels like the same. It matters what like brand you get, kind of sometimes. I don't know. I got the normal Kinetic Sand brand. I think there's just one brand. I don't know. I'm not really sure, but I think all of it says Kinetic Sand on it. Ready? I'm gonna make a big ball. I'm gonna try to make a big ball. Ready? Oh, you should have saw that. That was awesome. Look at this. Oh. This feels crumbly. Some of the sands are crumbly, but this one isn't. I don't even know why I said this feels crumbly, and then I said some of the sands are and some isn't. That was weird. That was weird. That was not normal. Anyway, we'll make like a tower. Okay, I'll make a big thing. Guys, this looks like an alligator. Looks like the back of it. It's cool. I highly recommend this for eager viewers. It's like if you get bored, like this will like actually cheer you up. It's really fun to play with, and I'm still waiting for my cousin to get out of the restroom. Can you see my face, guys? Half of my face. That. Of course, now it's in the camera. This is just like it's raining sound. I wish I could this one. Oh my gosh, I think guys you can see her actually flushing. Sorry guys, TMI. Ready? I'm gonna do it again and then I'm gonna show her and she's gonna be like, honest. Maybe she's coming right now. Look, it looks like an alligator, doesn't
Wow.
it? It's hard to see. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up first. Oh. Okay, for now I'm gonna show you my squishies, guys. Since it's getting close to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you guys. Wait, first let me put this up. I'll show you my squishies. And she'll show you her squishies. She only has one to show.
I have more squishies at home.
Yeah, she has a Boba-Tea one at her house. I'm gonna move this one out. Okay. So first I'm gonna show you one of them. I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna show you two of my squishies. I'm gonna show you two of my squishies. Okay, so those are all of them. The first one is this big watermelon. It smells so good. And if you watched Jaylene's squishy package opening, you would know where this is from. And if you also watched Jaylene's squishy opening package, you will know where this lemon is from. And it's kind of like something else. Yeah, it smells good, but it doesn't smell like a lemon. And sorry that she hasn't posted in a while. She's just been really busy. Yeah. Because she was sick the other day. And so... Okay, ready? So there's that one. There's that one. These are not all my squishies, guys. This is not a showing squishy. So this is her narwhal. And here's a horn, here's a squish. We're trying to make Millie the whale. Yeah, the tiny Millie the whale. Here's my dragon fruit. And last but not least is this donut. Actually, this was her first squishy. Yeah, it was. It has a lot of defects on the back. Yeah. Like if you see that in the field. It has a lot of it's defected. But it's still pretty squishy. Yeah. So, let me show you the slimes now. Yeah. Okay, so she's going to show you the sand one that you put kinetic sand. I put some blue kinetic sand because it was first butter slime. And then it was actually green. Yeah, it was green. Turquoise kind of butter slime. It is sticky. It kind of does make your slime sticky. So, like, the more you play with it, the less sticky it'll get. So, it's that really stretchy. You can barely hear the bubbles. It's so awesome. And this is like really stretchy. Like it feels like sandy, but the sand doesn't come out of the slime. It's just like butter slime and sand slime. I don't know. Let's call it sand slime. Okay, so the next slime I'm gonna be showing the next slime, and it's gonna be a glitter slime that we actually made with a slime kit. It's called Instant Slimy Glue. It was at Target for $5. So here it is. Very glittery. Now let's take it out of the bag. Sorry for the noise in the bag. I think she's trying to put it back in the baggie. So here is this slime. So here is the slime. Okay. It's not that big. I mean, it's clicky. Yeah, tiny bit clicky. Tiny bit clicky. She's holding it above my chest because we don't have a tripod. Yeah. And so here it is. So sparkly. Sparkle. So that's that one. And so I'm gonna put the bag back in the bag. Sorry for that. Something's going wrong with this. Oh, I think the video's playing or something. I don't know. Okay.
Sorry guys, we're having some technical difficulties.
Oh my god! I can't do this. Bye guys, we are gonna end this. I hope you like it. Give this a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and comment. And if you're not too new to my channel, my name's Jillian. Bye guys. We have to do something. Bye.